Here we'll look at a very nice color plate book of the first half of the 19th century in a period quarter leather binding. Beautiful spine. The binding is in rather poor shape, no doubt because the book has been cranked open repeatedly, with the result that this front cover, surprise, is detached. We'll set it down and begin to examine the text block, which remains tight and sound. It's 1826 London. It has a profusion of these. Well, they're almost like aqua tints, but I'm going to call them etchings with original hand color. So this is a voyage in Europe. It has a folding map at the front, which is quite torn, so this is going to need to be repaired at some point by somebody. But what interests us in here, as we start to flip through it, is you'll notice that it does remain quite clean internally, and it has these very appealing color plates throughout it, like this. Inhabitant of Corfu smoking, a Sicilian female playing, well, a form of a guitar. I don't know if that's a lyre. I'm not sure what that is. There's a Tartar guide and a Neapolitan priest. It's pretty funny. And we've got, look at that, a Neapolitan gentleman eating macaroni. Oh my goodness. A laboring man of Naples. Interesting. Eating macaroni. Okay. And then we've got a Hungarian peasant, an Austrian. Charming little miniature illustrations throughout here. It's a very nice color plate book. Look at that. Miners at work in Germany. Wow, or there might be Hungary. I'm not sure. Somewhere in the Austrian, the mountainous region of Europe. And look at that. A Wallachian of the common class. Huh. Yeah, these are great. Look at this. German women from different regions and cities. And so it goes. There are other ones throughout, like so. Yeah, very interesting. And we can say that this book, as it survives in this condition here, is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.